This is my beloved Bergamo, 2 weeks before the first case of coronavirus infected person. I cannot tell you the struggle I felt just editing this video, but we can't lose our memories too. Now, as you know, it is a ghost town. On the same day, I recorded the recipe, and that's the reason of my happiness that I hope one day we will all feel again.
Hi everybody, from Barbara. I'm back to beautiful Bergamo with another ketogenic recipe. I'm sure that you will love these chicken rolls, so let's go to prepare them.
The main ingredient for today's recipe is chicken breast. Then you will need salt, pepper and fresh rosemary for the seasoning. Finally, the filling with sliced cheese. I choose smoked scamorza, that is really delicious, and prosciutto. But after the cooking, look how beautiful is this day in Bergamo. We will definitely go for a walk. To be able to roll our chicken, it is necessary that our slices are very thin, so I use this easy technique to put every slice between two parchment paper sheets and to use a meat mallet to flatten it. If you don't have this tool, any heavy object will work perfectly fine. While doing this easy job, I will talk to you a little about keto diet, because even if I'm not a professional and I do not work in any way with nutrition, my family is eating like this since September 2014, so I have 6 years of personal experience and I love this food. Ketosis is a very natural state that you reach when your body shifts from sugar to fat as your main source of energy. This can happen in two ways. Number one, fasting, because if you don't eat anything, you will use body fat. Number two, eating a very low carb and high fat food, because if you don't have enough sugar and carbs are complex sugars, but you have fat, your body will use that in order to survive. But it's time to go back to our recipe. Now that all the chicken breast slices are very thin, you can line them and season the meat. As usual, I like to keep it simple by adding just some pepper and salt. But if you have any ketogenic idea on how to improve this recipe, please let me know by writing it in the comments below. And now the filling. I use speck, that is a smoked prosciutto, but you can use your favorite charcuterie like bacon or Spanish jamón. Even normal ham will taste great. After the speck, it's time to add our cheese. As you can see, I fold my scamorza slices in half, so the melted cheese will not go out of our rolls. I choose this Italian cheese because you can find it smoked too, and it will match perfectly with our speck ham. But follow your taste and choose your favorite sliced cheese, always remembering to read the labels and to check for carbs content. A little branch of fresh rosemary will definitely give an extra touch to your rolls. This aromatic herb is native and used a lot in the Mediterranean area. I really love it with a lot of meat dishes. If you use it even on a simple steak, it will take your food to the next level. And it seems that rosemary has a lot of health benefits too. But now it's time to bake our chicken at 180 degrees Celsius, that are 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 15 minutes. Always remember to warm your oven in advance. Our dinner will be ready, but this is something that I prepared in advance, because in this beautiful sunny day we'd like to go out for a walk in my beloved Bergamo. But keep watching, because I will show you after the walk how to improve this dish and make it even yummier. After a wonderful walk in beautiful Bergamo, we are finally back home, and as you can see from the artificial light, it's dinner time, and I will warm and brown our chicken rolls in some ghee, that in Italian is called clarified butter. I received several questions about the quantity of our food, because usually it seems too little for a family. But as you can see here, I always prepare something else. The video is just one recipe, but is not our complete meal. Usually we always have an appetizer before, and today we also have panna cotta as dessert. So don't worry and keep watching my video, keep cooking and have fun in the kitchen.
I really hope you liked today's recipe and you will consider subscribing to my channel. See you here with a video in English every Monday, but also with the same video on Wednesday in Spanish and on Friday in Italian. Thank you all for subscribing. You made my day.
Now a couple of memories from Christmas time in Bergamo. I love this city so much, and this tragedy breaks my heart. I hope things are better where you live, and I'd love to thank all the people that are fighting against this terrible virus all over the world. I added these two last videos after the coronavirus spreading in this city, and I really would like to tell you that it's a memory that I don't want to lose. I took those videos during Christmas time, and I want to keep those images in my heart forever. Thank you all for the support.